Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love coloring my hair at home, and one of the tools I use to get really great results is this eSalon pre-color balancer. It just really sets me up to be successful and to get great coverage. It's a really quick and simple step to take before coloring my hair. I spray it all over my combed out dry hair. I try to get a nice even coverage, and after I comb through my hair again, and then I just go ahead and color my hair. It really helps me get such even coverage when I color my hair. And the size of the bottle gives me quite a few applications. I truly feel like I'm getting professional results when I color my hair after I've used this eSalon pre-color balancer. And that's my point of view.